What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. We're talking, of course, in today's video about Shiba Inu. Before we get into that, though, I really want to encourage you guys to go ahead and pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. All you guys have to do is literally hit that link, sign up, make an account, and deposit at least $1, and you guys could get a free stock that could be worth up to $300 to $500. Just the other day, Zach and I got a free stock from that link, and it was $300 of Amazon stock. You heard that right, $300 of Amazon stock. So if you guys want to try your hand at that, see if you guys get lucky and maybe get some free stocks there, go hit that first link down in the description below. As you can see, Shiba Inu is up about 6.63% on the day today, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the crypto markets right now. On this right side, some popular cryptocurrencies. As you can see, everything is ripping, guys. It's absolutely beautiful and awesome to see that we are ripping this much to the stratosphere. You love to freaking see it. We're up 7%, guys. This pump is happening live as I'm making this video. I need to go into a smaller version of this chart, though. As you can see, this chart's just a little bit too big, and unfortunately there's some weird indicators that I got going on here that I don't exactly want. Let's zoom in a little bit here, though, and there you go. Look at this little pump here, guys. We're pushing. Hopefully we can push beyond this resistance level right here. I'll draw it really quick just so you guys have a good understanding of where that's at. As you can see here, that was kind of the previous resistance. It seems that we really seem to be a little bit stuck at there, but if we can break past that, guys, good stuff. We should be able to head higher. That's if the overall cryptocurrency market heads higher, though, guys. Keep that in mind. A big reason this is happening right now is because Bitcoin, of course, is absolutely doing really well in the market as well. As you can see here, overall ranking up 8% overall. Bitcoin just went past $40,000, guys. Let's freaking go. Drop some stuff in the chat, or in the comments, I should say. We're not live streaming. Let a comment down below, guys, and let us know if you're hyped about this, if you're excited to see where we go further. Lots of different news pieces to discuss today, guys. We're going to get into all of it. Let's start here. 36.7 trillion. Shiba Inu whale expands portfolio. Here's what he acquires. So, of course, the whales have been buying Shiba Inu absolutely crazy, and now we're pumping very low, just massively towards the upside. The whales were buying all throughout this price range when we were consolidating and stabilizing, guys. It's almost like the whales know something that we don't. And I've said this forever, guys. You guys know my position on the whales. If you don't already, I'm a huge whale advocate. I think that they are some of the smartest people in the market. I think they always time the dips correctly. I think they buy at excellent points of entry, and that's why I try to time my personal buys with them. As you can see here, though, they loaded up over 36 trillion Shiba Inu in their portfolio. This is worth multi-millions of dollars worth, guys, of Shiba Inu, $3 million of LRC, and of course the overall daily trading volume pretty decent there as well. If we look at, of course, the Shib stats, Shib is now 21% of that overall portfolio, which is just nuts to actually think about, guys. And again, the whales continue to buy in an absolute feeding frenzy. If you guys want to see when we're buying, because we time our buys really excellently too, Zach and I are kind of whales in specific different cryptocurrencies that we invest in. Get joined up to our private Discord, guys. Here are all the benefits that includes: one-on-one interactions in the Discord with Patreon with you guys. Of course, daily crypto alerts. So these are our buy alerts when we're buying. Includes first look at what cryptos we're looking into. It also includes crypto market strategies and updates, and of course articles and information that I come across that I think that you guys might want to know about. It's all in our Discord with the second link down in the description below. Really want to recommend that you guys get signed up there if you aren't already. It's an amazing community of like-minded individuals, and I think you guys will really enjoy the value that we bring in there. Let's talk about this. Shiba Inu to release additional projects that will burn Shib with the details. Let's read a little bit more about this and see what this entails. According to the recent Twitter update posted by Shib, more project burning Shiba Inu tokens are going to be released soon. Stay safe for more projects being released soon, and of course, we thought outside the box. We know that, of course, Shib has been tracking some of the Shib burning mechanisms that have been going on as of late, and guys, it has been crazy. We are seeing billions of Shiba Inu tokens being burned just over the last couple of days. In the month of January alone, I think we burned something like 56 billion Shiba Inu tokens, which is just absolutely insane. Like, that is so many tokens to burn through, guys. While highlighting the progress made in burning Shib since the start of February, Shib says more updates are expected to launch next week. You Today earlier reported of Stephen Cooper, owner of Bigger Entertainment, mentioning that Shib developers were working to build new mechanisms that would create more ways to burn Shib. The second most popular canine cryptocurrency, also promoted as Dogecoin Killer. As a means of further Shib acceptance and burn more tokens, Shiba Inu recently announced a partnership with the Italian fast food restaurant Wellies. You guys are probably familiar with that and what's been going on with that recently. You might have heard good things about it. You might have heard bad things about it. I would love to know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. I made a whole detailed video about this literally just a day ago, breaking down basically everything that you would possibly need to know about the Wellies partnership, whether it's a good thing, whether it's a bad thing. I personally think it's kind of just it's an okay thing. I think it's cool what it's going to do, and hopefully the growth in the future is sustainable and something that we can all obviously benefit from and receive those benefits from. But unfortunately, guys, it's just a very small chain, and I think that is a little bit of a drawback in my personal opinion. But that's not about Welly. Shib burned progress in 2022. According to recent tweets by Shib in the past 24 hours, there have been a total of 55 million Shib tokens burned in 8 transactions. That's so far 410 trillion Shib tokens burned, or 41.0302% of the overall supply that has been burned, guys. That's almost half, well, not really 50%, but again, we're getting there. We're getting close, hopefully. Hopefully we see that sooner rather than later. Very excited to see what ends up coming of that, of course. If you guys haven't already, really want to encourage you guys to hit that subscribe button, guys. This is the best way to get access to daily and up-to-date breaking news about Shiba Inu and a bunch of other cryptocurrency products as well. Again, if you guys want to learn in the crypto space, and this is absolutely free, you don't have to pay a cent, hit that sub button, guys. I think you guys will really enjoy being a part of our overall community. Let's talk a little bit about here, though, guys. Again, another whale. 63 billion Shib tokens this time were purchased by a whale. This is absolutely nuts, guys. Let's read a little bit more about this and see what this entails. According to data provided by Etherscan, over the past couple of hours, large cryptocurrency holders, known widely as crypto whales, have acquired a massive amount of the second largest meme token, Shiba Inu. Etherscan has spotted 4 transactions which transferred a total of 63 billion Shib tokens to 4 wallets. It's possible some of these transactions were acquisitions. 4 lumps of Shib were bought. The first were, of course, 6 million. Another was about 1 billion, or sorry, that's 6 billion. Wait, right? That's 6 billion. 1 billion Shib. And the other 2 stashes purchased were tracked, of course, to 28 billion tokens. Here is the Etherscan kind of proof, just so you guys can see overall what's been going on there. Now, like they said, these could be acquisitions, so keep that in mind. Acquisitions are a little bit different than purchases themselves, but either way, it is a good kind of sign that there might be something coming, right? We could be potentially seeing something big happen sooner rather than later, whether these are exchanges, whether these are people. Again, it's still remains to be seen. That's kind of a speculative part of this. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I think you guys always have some very interesting opinions about that either way, and might have some interesting things to talk about. Guys, in my opinion, I think Shiba Inu is now presenting itself a very interesting opportunity to start moving higher. We have a bunch of different catalysts that are starting to come out and sustainably come out each and every day. And again, as long as the cryptocurrency market looks like this, guys, this is going to increase our chances of a massive breakout towards the upside. The reason I say that is because, again, guys, when we look back in previous patterns, right? Let's go back all the way to here, when we previously hit those all-time highs, right? Shiba Inu was consolidating, really moving with not much volume here. It was pretty much not really that much of a crazy, nothing was really going on with this coin at that time, right? And then we saw that huge break towards the upside. And one of the big reasons that happened was, number one, Elon Musk was making a lot of noise on Twitter, not even specifically about Shiba Inu, but just about like Shiba Inu dogs in general and stuff like that. But again, one of the big reasons that this happened was because Bitcoin and most of the other cryptocurrency market in general went absolutely crazy. It went nuts. The amount of upside that we saw in such a short amount of time was really the main reason why we saw these huge pushes towards the upside. So again, guys, as long as we can pretty much repeat that same pattern, which, guys, look at this, we're starting to do. We're starting to go into that consolidation stabilization period where there's going to be probably not a huge amount of upside towards the upside quite yet, but we're just going to trade in this very tight pattern, right? In between the 2,500 kind of area around here and maybe the low of like a 2,000 to 1,800 area, kind of in that area. As long as we stay within this area and continue to trade sideways for a sustainable amount of time while we wait for the markets to start ripping absolutely out of their minds, then we could see a huge, massive breakout. You have to remember too, markets move in cycles, right? We're kind of right now in a little bit of the gaming token cycle, right? Where things like Decentraland or Sandbox are moving a lot better than Shiba Inu specifically. But once we kind of get back into the meme coin cycle, if you will, we could see a lot more movement from Shiba Inu specifically. So keep that in mind, guys. Make sure you hit the sub button so you guys don't miss any of that. Pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below at public.com. And of course, join our private Discord, guys, because I think you guys will really enjoy the benefits that we provide in that community. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance, bro. Take it easy.